morning. Welcome to the Clueless Luthier. I'm Mark. This is going to be a short one, I believe. I really hesitated to even film this. I have been prepping the guitar. I sanded it down, and I was doing sealer filler. I'm using True Oil again, and I was using their filler, and I ran into an issue in the headstock. And the easiest way for me to explain it is probably to show it to you. If you can see this rosewood has these cracks in it that I was hoping to fill, and it just wasn't working. So I've already started, and I'll show you what I'm doing. I have number 20 super glue, my visor on here. What I'm doing is I have this applicator to help. What I'm doing is I'm dropping a thin bead of super glue in here. To fill these cracks. And I'm gonna do the whole thing, and when I'm get them all in, spray them with accelerator, let it sit a minute, then sand it down. They were easy to see before I took an old toothbrush to clean them out, but the sawdust from the sanding would collect in them, which made them really obvious. So that's how I'm gonna try to make sure that I've caught them all when I sand this again. All right, I'm gonna accelerator on it. All right. Let's try. Now I'll start sanding it. Just using 320 grit. All right. It's a little hard to see, I know. Some of these, I just sanded it, and these used to look more like this, the light. Now this actually belongs there, but there you can, I can just tell there's a little bit right there where I can get caught. I think there was one up here, but it did make quite a bit of difference. So I'm gonna treat it one more time, but if I take my nail across, I can't feel nearly as many places where it wants to catch. So I'm gonna give it one more treatment, and then I will do another fill on it and see what it's like then. Okay, I wish I had gotten a better before shot, but even where it looks like there might be something going on, I can run my finger across now and it's smooth, and that was simply not the case before. So I'm going to do one more of this sealer filler just to be sure, and I think that we'll be all set. All right, I'm sure this is going to be one of my shortest videos ever. You're welcome. So I put the sealer, another coat of sealer. I'm going to let that sit for an hour and take that off, but I think I'm pretty happy with that. I also did the neck, and I have steel wooled it, and I will, so this is almost ready for finishing. The top, I did the back and the sides. I'm still going to inspect, and I'm going to give it one more hit with 600 grit sandpaper. The top I did not, because spruce is really tight grained, and I want it to breathe as much as possible. So, all right, well, thanks a lot, and glad you stopped by, and I hope to see you again soon.